How to add your Sainsbury's card to Apple Wallet. Adding your Sainsbury's card to Apple Wallet is a quick way to make contactless payments with your iPhone or Apple Watch. You can do it directly from the Sainsbury's Bank app or the Wallet app itself. Start by opening the Sainsbury's Bank app on your iPhone. Log in using your username and password to access your account. Find your card, then tap the option that says Add to Apple Wallet. Follow the on-screen steps to verify your identity. This could be through a text message or email. Once verified, agree to the terms and conditions. Your card will then be added automatically to your Apple Wallet. Alternatively, you can open the Apple Wallet app and tap the plus icon in the top corner. Select credit or debit card, then scan your Sainsbury's card or enter the details manually. Apple will ask for verification. Just follow the prompts to finish setup. Once done, you can use your iPhone or Apple Watch to pay anywhere that accepts contactless payments. Always make sure your iOS is up to date for the smoothest experience. And that's it. That's how you add your Sainsbury's card to Apple Wallet easily and securely. Thanks for watching.